We are pleased to show you the 2022 F-350 Super Duty. Head-to-head fuel efficiency, head-to-head towing, head-to-head torque. Ford F-350 Super Duty. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, body color door handles, backup camera, smart device integration, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, power adjustable pedals, tinted glass, leather wrapped steering wheel, compass. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.